Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn. How are you all? Can you all able to hear me? Can see me? Please confirm. So, welcome to the session, the most expected 1000 most expected questions for NEET examination, multiple choice question preparation. So, my dear children, today we are going to discuss about very good number of questions from alkenes and a little bit of concept also will be discussed based on each question. Are you ready for that? That's fine. And in this NEET 2025 most expected 1000 questions series per subject, we are going to come across with 30-35 questions per day. So what I suggest you is you please join the session on a regular basis and solve along with us. So take a pen and paper and write and solve and give the answer in the chat box. So worth of the day, crack your NEET examination. That is the everyday's worth. So our dream is to just get into the medical college at a premium medical college. So on the YouTube platform, I strongly recommend, is this is sufficient? Yes, it is sufficient. And you will be the topper as well. Crack your NEET examination by simply joining the classes on regular basis. And please like the sessions and share with your friend and subscribe to Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. And in the Google store, you're going to see Infinity Learn app where you're going to check with live sessions and mock test and create your own test 24/7 doubt resolution sessions. Everything is free. And also we are having NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack, and whatever examination you are preparing, it is just required to know where exactly you stand and what exactly you are doing and what is your learning outcomes. For that, a proper assessment platform is required, and that assessment platform is NEET 2025 All India Test Series pack. In that you have 27 AITS examination. In that 4-part test, 13 unit test and grand test based on complete new pattern of the NEET, and 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test and 25 topic wise previous year questions and 3 physics chemistry books along with video solutions on the app, and detailed solutions and performance benchmarking will be there along with the Sri Chaitanya students. So violet in the description box and the chat box also, link is there in the pinned messages, and the cost was around 5,999, and when you apply YouTube 50 coupon code, you are going to get it for just 50% off and limited time 2,999. Why late? You are going to see an awesome preparation for the NEET examination seamlessly and without any errors, and you can do it. Hi Sakshi, good afternoon. How are you all doing? Sakshi, good afternoon. Well, so let's see the next questions of the day based on alkenes. So far in the NEET expected multiple choice question series, Hustlers, hi, we completed atomic structure, periodic classification, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, general organic chemistry and solutions on colligative properties, electrochemistry, and alkenes also completed. Admission lena hai? Yes, you can take admission into medical colleges. So now we are into alkenes. So I just want to take alkenes into two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1, I just want to take some basic level questions and some concepts as well. In that, first question of the day, are you ready? Once thumbs up and fire emoji so that we can start the question. Everybody, Sakshi, Maunika is there in the class, Suresh Kumar, Altamash, and many students are regularly attending the classes and they are getting the best out of this. Now the question, give the major product of the following reaction, 3,3-dimethyl 1-butene plus HCl, and gives the major. So ऑफलाइन में ड्रॉप कर लेने जी के लिए एडमिशन लेने हैं, मैं बिहार से हूँ, ओके आप जो भी करना चाहता हूं आप कर सकते हैं, ओके। ऑफलाइन में कर सकते हैं, ऑनलाइन में हम यूट्यूब जो प्लेटफॉर्म में अच्छा तरफ क्लासेस ले रहा हूँ. सो यू वांट टू ड्रॉप, यू कैन ज्वाइन इन एनी अदर कोर्स ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन सेंटर्स भी है इन्फिनिटी लर्न का. आप ये ऑफलाइन सेंटर का एक बार मुलाकात करो, ओके. पटना में एक सेंटर है. कहाँ से आप? बिहार में. ओके इसका आंसर क्या हो सकते हैं बच्चों? व्हाट इज दिस 3,3 dimethyl butadiene, 3,3 dimethyl butadiene. So this is your butadiene and it is 3,3 dimethyl butadiene. When you want to write HCl, directly you can add this HCl by using Markovnikov rule, लेकिन ये कार्बोकैटायन रीअरेंजमेंट भी हो सकता है. हाँ, शोहलर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ओके. सो HCl H प्लस Cl माइनस दे सकते हैं. सो H प्लस इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन की वजह से आपका कार्बोकैटायन आ सकता है. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी ए कार्बोकैटायन. ये सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन. द सेकेंडरी कार्बोकैटायन लेस स्टेबल एज कंपेयर टू द tertiary carbocation. So that future Dr. Prachi Pandey, yeah, you want to say, okay, let me check. It is going to give you a tertiary carbocation rearrangement के वजह से. It is going to give you, it will be like this. Now this is a tertiary carbocation. This was a secondary carbocation and this is the tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation is relatively more stable. So, ये Cl माइनस काटने के बाद Cl माइनस is going to attack HCl में Cl माइनस भी है ना. It is going to give you the product like this. So, as a result of this, you are going to see, बच्चों दिखाई दे रहे क्या? It is going to be like this. So इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम क्या है? 2-chloro-2,3-dimethyl 2-chloro-2,3-dimethyl butane. So you have given option A, but the answer for this question is going to be option 2. Okay, so in the NEET examination there is a rearrangement in the carbocation. Whenever carbocation getting rearranged, you please don't directly use Markovnikov rule. So addition reactions of alkene. Yeah, Sakshi, you want to say B? That is really appreciated. You got it? How to solve this? So carbocation has always a tendency to undergo rearrangement. So less stable carbocation undergoes rearrangement to gives rise relatively more stable carbocation. Carbocation stability. Benzyl carbocation is more stable than allyl carbocation is more stable, tertiary carbocation more stable, secondary carbocation, and the list is primary carbocation. Rearrange नहीं किया. Okay, so rearrange करने का ये क्वेश्चन डिमांड कर रहे हैं. सो रीअरेंज के वजह से ये प्रोडक्ट बी हो सकते हैं, ये नहीं होगा. सो ये आंसर ए दिया बी दिया. आप संभाल के एक बार देखना. अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो ये क्वेश्चन के बारे में आप पूछ सकते हैं बच्चों. क्लियर? फाइन. सो रीअरेंजमेंट में और एक क्वेश्चन भी दे सकता हूं मैं. सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी क्वेश्चन दैट यू आर केप्ट इन योर माइंड, है ना. बिकॉज अचानक कहीं भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं ना. पांडे, प्राची, सो डॉक्टर प्राची, ओके. सो यस, क्लियर. अगले और एक क्वेश्चन है. देखो ऑप्शन बी मेरा आंसर है. एंड ये वाला क्या होगा? यहां पर भी आपका रीअरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन अल्कोहल, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 से रिएक्ट है ना, तो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एन अल्कीन, डिहाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन. प्रोडक्ट देना मैकेनिज्म के हिसाब से. साक्षी, Waiting for your answer. Take time. First, the lone pair of the electron present on the alcohol is going to be a nucleophile and it abstracts a H plus from the acid. OH is a poor leaving group, so that it is going to be a OH2 plus, so that it is going to be better leaving group, ताकि ये लीव करने के बाद आपका कार्बन पॉजिटिव होगा. मौनिका, हाय बेटी, हाउ आर यू? गुड आफ्टरनून. कल नहीं थे आप क्लास में? मैं इसका आंसर देना चाहता हूं. सो लुक एट दिस. This is your OH. This is the substrate. H2SO4 has a H plus. As I said, the lone pair of electron present on the oxygen of the alcoholic group is going to be protonated. Good afternoon, Monica. And it is going to give you its product like this. And it is going to be OH2 plus. Okay, now this is a protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol is a very good leaving group, so it is left as a water molecule. ताकि इसका होगा ये कार्बोकैटायन, ये कार्बोकैटायन is formed. So this is your secondary carbocation. So what happened? One methyl group, you can see this is your methyl group, is going to be shifted from here to here. So Sakshi, you want to say it is B, okay? Let me check. So it is going to give you a carbocation like this. So a carbocation, okay? Now this carbocation beta elimination का वजह से, and here one hydrogen carbon tetravalency के हिसाब से, and it is going to be last as a water H plus, so minus H plus, and it is going to give the product like this. So here also Sakshi, the product is going to be rearranged product. I want to apply CUET registration. Very good, all the best. My answer for this question is going to be A. Sakshi, your answer supposed to be A. Dr. Prachi Pandey, here also same kind of rearrangement is seen. Maunika, you got the answer here. Manpreet Kaur. Hi Manpreet, how are you? Any doubt here? Just observe this mechanism, you will understand. Alkene का जो क्वेश्चन है ना, कम से कम ये alkene से क्वेश्चन आने का संभावना है नीट एग्जामिनेशन में. Because this alkene, it is from connected to alcohol, it is connected to alkyl halides as well. So it is quite important topic. If you are confident in alkenes, you are going to confident in 30% of the organic chemistry. So that is the plan. एक प्लान बनाओ, ओके, प्लान का अनुसरण आप जा सकते हैं ना बेटा? क्लियर? अगले क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं जल्दी, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो. या मेरा आंसर ये करेक्ट किया. और एक क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज दिस? नाउ दिस इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. जो प्रोडक्ट आ रहे हैं ना, इसका स्टीरियो केमिस्ट्री का वजह से पूछ रहा हूं. सो यू प्लीज मेक ए प्रोडक्ट एंड लेट अस नो. मेक इट फास्ट, मेक इट फास्ट. Stereochemistry is very important. You are going to get a question based linked to stereochemistry, mind it. Sarthak, hi. You want to say diastereomer? Okay, Dr. Pandey, you want to say miso? Okay. So, any other answers? I am just checking. Manpreet Kaur. So, let it be your answer. Maybe right or wrong, doesn't matter. I want to hear from you. And finally, I am going to solve this question and I'll give you the correct answer for you. Fine. Dr. Pandey, Sakshi, Maunika. So, मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ पर. So, CH3, HBr in the presence of peroxide, let it be Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, because this is a symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical, if unsymmetrical alkene is taken, Markovnikov rule इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये symmetrical alkene है, so addition आ सकते हैं. So the product is going to be CH3, CH2 and CH and CH3. So you are going to get a bromine over here. So when you talk about this, the product, this is going to be a chiral carbon. It is optically active. So whenever again teacher, okay. Now what I mean to say, whenever optically inactive compound is given, an optically active product, it is going to give you plus isomer, it is going to give you minus isomer mixture, that is called racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Okay, so that is going to be racemic mixture. Kaise? It is going to be CH3, it is going to be CH3, CH2 and CBr and CH3 and it is going to be H. So इसका mirror image आ सकता है आपका, इसका mirror image इसका CH3, CBr and H and CH2 and CH3. So let it be, this is plus, it is going to be minus. The mixture of D and L isomer is called as racemic mixture. आपका आता है, answer is going to be A. Now you understand? Now you understand? Maunika, Sakshi, Prachi, now it is going to be A, racemic mixture. है क्या ना? Yes, Maunika. So let me know where you gone wrong, Maunika. I'll tell you, Markovnikov rule is only applicable for unsymmetrical alkane. So anti-Markovnikov rule also there only applied. Fine. Next. Ready for the next question? Yes, it is again. Alkene is given HCl peroxide, ETONA and it is going to be Z. What is the major product as a Z in the given four options? Such a tricky questions, huh? Definitely these tricky questions can help you a lot. Solve it. I want to give you a minute to solve this, my dear students. Take a minute, solve it. And in the YouTube platform, we are doing a rigorous work to solve these questions. And it is undoubtedly, it is going to be a quality question where you don't see these sessions, फालतू नहीं चलेगा. बिल्कुल अच्छा तरफ सब्जेक्ट आपको एक्सप्लेन करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Make it fast, my dear students. I am expecting the responses from the students, so that's why I am just watching the reply given by the students and looking at your, okay, come on. Once you propose your answer, I am going to give the answer. बच्चों लोग, you can see here, this is your alkene, this is your alkene, and HCl is used in the presence of peroxide. In the presence of peroxide, you may expect peroxide effect, anti-Markovnikov rule. Peroxide effect do not operate with works only with hydrogen bromide. It do not work with HCl. It do not work with HBr. है ना? अरे anti-Markovnikov rule doesn't work here. That's a trap. Peroxide जो इस्तेमाल किया ना, it's a trap. है कि ना? Now अगर peroxide इस्तेमाल करो ना करो, आपका प्रोडक्ट ऐसे हो सकता है. बस that is going to be ये. That is actually peroxide is a trap. काम नहीं करेगा. ठीक है? So अगले स्टेप में ETO इस्तेमाल किया एंड गर्मी भी दिया, हीटिंग कर दिया. सो इट इज एन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन. एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन में कौन सा रूल इस्तेमाल करो? यू हैव टू यूज, इट इज एन एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन, dehydrohallucination reaction. The product is going to be Said-Zev rule. Said-Zev rule. So Said-Zev rule के हिसाब से क्या होगा? यहाँ पर जो हाइड्रोजन है ना, ये पकड़ के, सो आपका जो that's the answer. So I would get an alkene like this. It's an elimination. Elimination में क्या होता है? Alkene is formed. So surprisingly, my answer for this question is going to be B. You are learning so many things in today's class. Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, Said-Zev rule, है ना बेटा? अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो बोलो. So Maunika, I think you need to improvise in your organic chemistry बेटा. जीवो से अच्छा किया ना आप. आल्किन में को थोड़ा सा आपका प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. So साक्षी, डॉक्टर प्राची, yes, next question, get ready. Simple question I want to ask. Simple question. Which compound would be the major product when this is treated with alcohol KOH? Again, elimination reaction. Again, it is an elimination reaction. Which compound would be major product when this structure is treated with alcoholic KOH? Now let us solve this. CH3 twice, and CH, and it is a Br, and it is going to be CH2 Br. 1 2 3 4. Yeah. Now when it is treated with alcoholic KOH, mind it, whenever you use KOH, no, elimination versus substitution takes place. Okay, for nucleophilic substitution reaction, primary alkyl halide is more reactive than secondary, is more reactive than tertiary. When elimination reaction takes place, tertiary is more reactive than secondary, is more reactive than primary. So here it is going to be primary one, right? And it is going to be secondary one. This is going to be eliminated, so that you are going to see the formation of eliminated product, substituted product. The product is going to be CH3, C double bond, CH3 and CH and CH2 OH. So check the product who is going to match with this. Sakshi, Monica and Prachi, you want to say it is option D is the correct answer for this question. So looking too complicated, but it is not at all complicated. This is the logic for this question. Fine, that's good. My dear students, that's really appreciated. And और एक easy question है, और एक easy question है मेरे साथ. Okay, this is now again peroxide. In the presence of HCl, peroxide, the product of intermediate is. Answer? Sakshi? Okay, now this is actually a trap. पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट HCl का कुछ नहीं करेगा, पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट कुछ नहीं होगा, so that it is going to be HCl gives rise H plus and Cl minus, so that CH3 CH double bond CH2 and H plus, and it is going to be CH3 and CH and CH3 plus. It is an electrophilic addition reaction, mind it. So that Br minus add kar lo, and you are going to get CH3 CH and CH3, and it is going to be Br. Okay, that is important point. I would say this is the answer for this question, and शायद typo error होगा यहाँ पर answer C, यहाँ पर answer C. Prince Chaudhary, hi everyone, Sakshi, Monica, and अगर HBr इस्तेमाल करना चाहता हूँ तो कर लो. So that what happen? This is going to be peroxide or okay, C double bond O is the free radical, okay, and HBr homolysis, you are going to see the presence of formation of RCO OH plus Br free radical. It's a free radical addition reaction. Someone is here, okay. Now we are going to see CH3 CH double bond CH2. When Br minus is added, now you are going to see CH3 CH and CH2 Br, a free radical addition reaction. Previous one is electrophilic addition reaction. So you can add HBr, so Br free radical निकल जाएगा. So it is going to be peroxide effect or Cara's effect. Peroxide effect or Cara's effect. Okay, beta. Need don't spam. It is. Hi Raj, your answer is appreciated. I have taken your name. Sakshi and Monica and Prachi. Very good. And Prince Chaudhary, please डोंट स्पैम इन द क्लास. बच्चों यहाँ पर ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रहा हूँ and they are attending the classes with us on the YouTube platform by Infinity Learn, and they are doing the best. They are doing the best. Okay, you please support us, everybody. Okay, thank you. And let us see one more question. HCl. now peroxide नहीं है, peroxide बिल्कुल नहीं है. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? फिर भी यहाँ पर रीअरेंजमेंट आने का संभावना है. माउनिका बेटा, Sakshi, Dr. Prachi, come on, give the answer. Give the answer. You want me to give the mechanism? I'll give it. You want to say C? That's perfect. Now let's see the mechanism here. Always electrophilic reactions, the intermediate is going to be the carbocation. The carbocation has always an ability to rearrange. So उसमें क्या होगा? H plus and Cl minus. H plus takes it and Cl minus, so that it is going to give its relative product. Here it is as secondary carbocation. लेकिन इसका जो हाइड्रोजन है, this is the hydrogen, is going to be shifted from here to here as an hydride shift. This is what is called as rearrangement. So this rearrangement can give you a tertiary carbocation is more stable, secondary carbocation lesser stable, tertiary carbocation more stable. Sakshi, you are ready? So you got your answer perfectly. Such a nice improvement from every student given the answers. So what happened? It is going to give its product like this. As a result of this, Cl. Got it? Clear? My answer for this question is going to be C. So here Monica is given, Sakshi is given, Raj is given, okay, and first Dr. Prachi Pandey is given the correct answer. My answer is going to be C. Next, easy question. Arrange the above decreasing order of reactivity towards HBr. Mind it, towards reaction with HBr. Okay, these are all alkenes. Alkene react with HBr means it is an electrophilic addition reaction. So, electrophilic addition reaction reactivity is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Mind it, carbocation का stability का हिसाब से चलता. Now, what could be the answer? Here it is going to be an awesome question. Yeah. Now once the first one is added with H plus, later Br minus ऐड कर सकते हैं. पहले H plus करने चाहता हो तो इसका जो ए का कार्बोकैटायन आ सकते हैं, it is going to be CH3 CH3 and it is going to be CH3 and it is going to be A and it is going to be B CH3 and C plus C plus and it is going to be CH3 and OCH3 and this is going to be B. है ना? Yeah, back bonding. And if you see C, CH3, O, CH2, C plus and CH3 and it is going to be CH3. So it is going to be C. ये तीनों में कौन सा ज़्यादा स्टेबल है? The programmer, Prachi, the programmer says, yeah, because of this lone pair of electron present here, okay, it shows positive mesomeric effect. In other words, you said it is a back bonded, it is true. So the stability B का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होगा. But here OCH3 is having not in conjugation, so that it is going to have negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect है के वजह से option C, so structure C कम से कम stable होगा and option A hyper conjugation का वजह से ये intermediate stable होगा. So that B is more stable than A is more stable than C. So I would say electrophilic addition reaction reactivity का stability का order के हिसाब से होगा. B is more stable than A is more stable than C. So analyze करने के बाद सही आंसर पकड़ना भी एक आर्ट है. नीट में ये से सीखने का कोशिश करो. And my answer for this question is going to be B. अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो आप पूछना. Yes, it is. Any doubt? Good questions, no? Next. Very good logic and answer. This react with Br2 and H nu. What is H nu? Best question. You love it? Thumbs up. And gives a major product X and alcoholic KOH gives a major product Y. That is reacted with HBr in the peroxide. HBr peroxide अभी peroxide काम चलेगा क्योंकि HBr के साथ peroxide का काम सिर्फ HBr के साथ चलेगा. अगर आप HCl इस्तेमाल करो, HI इस्तेमाल करो, कुछ नहीं होगा. Yeah, you want to say C, Manikumar, you want to say C? Okay, let me check the answer. Okay, the programmer is also C. Okay, so once you have given C, it is C. Okay, Sakshi Beti, you have given C. What about Dr. Pandey? Very good. Monica, your answer? So, whenever Br2 and H nu, it is a free radical substitution reaction. So, in the free radical substitution, one hydrogen is removed and one halogen is replaced. So, replaceable hydrogens, tertiary is more than secondary is more than primary. So, that इसका आ सकता है. मेरा answer, it is going to be Br. This is going to be X. Now, alcoholic KOH इस्तेमाल करो, ये elimination होगा. ये एलिमिनेशन होगा. एलिमिनेशन में क्या, बीटा एलिमिनेशन की वजह से इसका आता है. It is going to be like this. An alkene. Sage rule. Now you can add HBr in the presence of peroxide. You are going to see the product is going to be anti-Markovnikov rule, BR, anti-Markovnikov rule. So मेरा आंसर आपके साथ ये C होगा. Congratulations. So when I start the questions, first 3-4 questions clean bold. Everybody clean bold. Now you are learning the things and you are applying the things and you are doing the best along with me. I really appreciate my dear students. Never lose the tempo. Never and ever. है ना? Right. और एक क्वेश्चन है. Yes, it is C. Now, perfect question. Again, it's a perfect. So, it is oxidative cleavage of carbon to carbon double bond in the presence of carbon potassium permanganate and acidic hydrolysis. I want to know the answer. Yeah, I want to say B. Okay. Dr. Prachi. Monica, I want to say B. Wherever you have a double bond, there KMnO4 के साथ ये cleavage होगा. Whenever it is a cleaving like that, you're going to see the formation of this is going to be converted into COOH and this is going to be converted into double bond O. So my answer for this is going to be B. Everybody is given. Raj, it is B. That's very nice. Answer is really appreciated. Now, identify the products. Wow. Identify the products. It is a reaction based on ozonolysis. In the ozonolysis, wherever carbon to carbon double bond is there, you cut it and you just add oxygen. That is the trick. Ayush Power, Jai Sri Ram. Good. You want to say C? Dr. Prachi, eagerly rushing into the medical college, premium medical college, definitely. Everybody, I bless you. You are today doing so nice and your seat is guaranteed in the medical colleges. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ. आशीर्वाद दे रहा हूँ आपको लिए. प्राची, ओके, साक्षी, मणिकुमार, मौनिका, राज, आयुष पवार, चेतन, कार्पे. You want to say C? So these are not the options. This is the option. Okay. Simply you can break it here. Bachcho, you can break it here. So make an oxygen over here, oxygen over here. इसका वजह से इसका product क्या होगा? When you break it here ना, you are going to see you can break it here and make an oxygen over here and make an oxygen over here, so that you are going to see the formation of C double bond O and you are going to see the formation of oxygen acetone and cyclopentanone mixture is formed. Okay, so that I would say this is formed, I would say this is formed. 1 and 4. Option C is the correct answer for this question. So C is the answer for this question. Fine. C is the answer for this question, not B. It is going to be C. Fine. Sakshi, Chetan, Maunika. Okay. Now, this is the another one. This is the another one. Very good number questions. You like the questions? Ayush Power, Raj, Sakshi, Maunika, and Dr. Prachi. Ayush Gupta, hi. You came late in today's class, why? Chetan, you want to say D? Okay. Very good. Now, whenever this is given, you got an A. What is the A? Br2 in CCl4. So, you are going to get addition of bromine. Now, this is your A. Now, this A is treated with NeNH2. It is a strong base. Therefore, I am going to get an alkene, then alkyne directly. This alkyne, this is your going to be structure B. When it is treated with H2, PD in the presence of CaCO3, Lindlar's catalyst, catalytic poison. So it is going to be a syn addition. So you are going to see C double bond C, an alkene, hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is your product. If that is the product, I would say it is going to be B. Hydrogenation taken place ना. What is C in the question? Product C का बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ ना. So Sakshi, Maunika and Prachi and Raj, Chetan, everybody is given D, but my answer for this question is going to be B. Correct it? It is going to be B. Smoothly how to answer the questions ना. अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तब पूछना है यहाँ पर. Don't say sorry, you correct yourself. Correction करने के लिए, it is not a competition class बेटा. It is not at all a competition class. It is a learning class. Fine, बच्चों. Next, one more question. So, arrange the following in decreasing order of their boiling point. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this. Boiling point का. So, rule 1. Boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight. Molecular weight किस में ऊपर में डिपेंड करते हैं? नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स में, है ना. एंड रूल 2, If molecular weight is the same, a boiling point is inversely proportional to branching. Inversely proportional to branching. So you tell me, based on that hint you can tell the answer. बच्चों, that is N-butane, N-butane, 2-methylbutane, N-pentane and 2,2-dimethylpropane. So that these two are going to have more boiling point than. Okay, Raj, Monica, first number of carbons देखना है. अगर कार्बन आटम नंबर सेम हो गए तो ब्रांचिंग में. So this is more than this. This is more than this. It is said that A and B and C and D. So C is greater than D is greater than A is greater than B. That is my answer. Okay. So वन नहीं होगा. हाँ, एक मिनट. C is greater than D is greater than 2-methylbutane, 2-methylbutane, N-butane, 2-methylbutane, 2-methylbutane अलग दिया. ताकि इसका आएगा and C N-pentane and 2,2-dimethylpropane. So it is going to be B. So in that A is greater than A. It is going to be D is greater than C is greater than B is greater than D is greater than A. C B D A. C B D A. Answer 4 is the correct answer. टाइप एरर्स ज़्यादा है आज. ऑपरेटर को मैं दिया, वो गलत पकड़ा. आंसर इज करेक्ट मोनिका. परफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, arrange the halogens F2Cl2Br2I2 in the order of their increasing reactivity with alkenes. With alkenes, what kind of reactions they are going to undergo? They are going to undergo free radical addition reaction. In the free radical addition reaction, one hydrogen is removed and halogen is replaced. So that fluorine is more reactive than chlorine, bromine, iodine. Reactivity of this fluorine is more than chlorine is more than bromine and iodine. So option 1 is the correct answer for this question. No, it is not C. It is 1 only. Clear? So fluorine is more reactive. Fluorine is more reactive. If it is hydrogen fluoride is less reactive. Alkyl fluoride is less reactive, but fluorine is more reactive. Mind it. Now contrast to that, one more question. The increasing order of the reduction of alkyl halide with zinc and dilute HCl. Reactivity alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide is more reactive than alkyl chloride is more reactive than alkyl fluoride. Fine? Yes, it is. So you want to say B. Perfect. Lovely. So answer 2 is the correct answer for this. Now I just want to give you last once this is a promotional or advice you can say. Whenever you are preparing for any examination, it is required to know where exactly you stand, and for that a proper assessment is required. For that, Infinity Learn is providing you NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, which contain 27 AITS examination, 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions, and PCB books along with video solutions on app, and also detailed solutions and in-depth analysis of your each question will be given, and your performance is benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students. So the cost is around 5,999. When you apply YouTube 50 off that coupon code, it is coming for exclusively 2,999. The link is there in the pinned messages. You all click that link and enjoy this NEET examination All India Test Series Pack. So it is there in the pinned messages. Chetan, hi. Okay, Sakshi, now आगे बढ़ते हैं और एक क्वेश्चन आने वाला है का. Following are the four molecule PQRS given. Which among the four molecules will react with HBr at the fastest rate? It is also a very good question. You tell me, when the alkene, these are all alkenes, react with HBr, it is going to be a electrophilic addition reaction. For reactivity in electrophilic addition reactions is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Chetan, expecting the answer. Make it fast. You want to say yes? Okay. और कुछ chances भी है. Maunika want to D. Okay. And Chetan want to D. प्राची, अगर ये वाला कार्बोकैटायन फॉर्म होता तो it is going to be here or here, make it here. If you want to go it here, it is going to be a carbocation here. If it is here, hyperconjugation can be seen super. If it is here, let it be in here. Now, which among these is going to be more stable? Which among these is going to be more stable? This is going to be more stable due to positive mesomeric effect. So, I would say Q is the correct answer for this question. Q is the correct answer for this question. Now, you said, I think you changed your mindset. Huh? Answer is going to be Q. Answer is going to be Q. Weird. Always, among all electronic effects, mind it students, aromatic effect, look at here, among all effects, we just see hydrogen bonding is powerful effect than steric effect, powerful effect than aromatic effect, is more powerful than resonance effect, more powerful effect than hyperconjugation, is more powerful effect than inductive effect. Inductive effect is the weakest effect. Inductive effect is the weakest effect. Now here you can see positive mesomeric effect, inductive effect hyperconjugation, inductive effect hyperconjugation, but here resonance effect is working. Fine. One more question, students. Yes, in the NEET hello, hello, hello. Is that fine? Now is that fine? Hello? Fine. So what is the answer for this question? In the presence of peroxide, hydrogen chloride and hydrogen iodide do not give anti-Markovnikov of addition to alkenes because all steps are exothermic in both cases. So one of the step is endothermic in the both cases. So that is the answer. Thermodynamically it is given the answer. Okay, answer for this is C. Okay, anyways, we had a very good interaction between you and me. Don't worry, rest of the questions we are going to take part in the part 2 alkenes. So today we had almost 35 questions. Okay, I think you guys enjoyed. You like the question, quality of the question, Chetan, Maunika, Rahul Prabha and Sakshi? Yes, very good. And Dr. Pandey. So we had a very good session, great swell of the questions, and we'll meet with more number of questions in the next upcoming sessions. Thank you very much, and signing off, Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Lane. Bye bye. Thank you very much. Ashik. Ashik. చిరిగింది చూడండి